favorite human character, favorite dinosaur.
Can I go first? Because I already know.
Sure.
Chicken Bird, the one with the little knives for hands.
Oh, yeah.
That was
smacked
awesome.
the deer.
Yeah.
I did not know his knives were so powerful either.
Like when we see him, like I guess it's for the first time, and there's a deer, we're like, oh, this deer's about to get it.
Yeah.
And he gets it.
He goes,
He just smacks him because he wants his berries.
yeah, he gave him the old slap chop, you know?
He's like, get away from my berries.
And he probably didn't even mean to do it that hard. He's just like, bro.
He was trying to be like,
trying to
move,
go right
move.
here.
Oh, well, okay. Anyway.
Oh, he moved.
He's like, bro, I'm a dinosaur.